I've got a card trick to show you guys. All right, here we go. Now we've got a bunch of cards here. I don't know which ones those are. I've got them mixed up, you know. But do me a favor. Do me a favor. What I want you to do is like run your finger back and forth across the top. Any card that feels like you want to touch, just touch it and keep your finger down. Okay? There you go. Go ahead. Want to change your mind? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. We'll get rid of these guys here. All right. Okay, Kim. Here we go. Here we go. Now, just by the weight of the card, I'm going to be able to tell you what that card is. The ink weighs differently and stuff. I just put it on my hand. Let's see. I can see maybe it's okay. All right, it's a six of spades. Okay, all right. So anyway, we're just going to talk about gambling for a second because gambling, this is really important for you guys when you're playing poker or anything like that. Play poker yourself? Okay, yeah. Well, this is what they call a gambler's crimp. Now, if you take a card like that, let's say I take a look at the card and I look at the card and I see it's a six of spades. Now, if I want to keep track of that card later on, what I do is I bend the card just slightly like that, and I'll give it back to the dealer, and see what happens? You see, I just put a little bend in that card, you know? So anytime it comes out and flies onto the table, no matter where it's at, I can always tell that that's a six of spades. That's a gambler's crimp. Don't ever use this in a real game of poker. They will actually shoot you, you know? Okay, all right, so here we go. Now this is I was down in Texas playing this game one time, and they use what they call the Texas crimp. Now the Texas crimp's a little bit different. They just take in, they do things big down there in Texas. They just bend the card just like that. Well, that's a good crimp. Yeah, you can put that into a deck and find it pretty quickly. All right? Okay. Now, I went down to Phoenix, and I think they kind of copied the Texas crimp. It's what they call the Pannonian crimp. Pannonian crimp, I'll just bend this a little bit here like that. There we go. It's kind of a shortcut on the Texas crimp is all it really is, you know? Now, I see all these guys making all these crimps, and I figured, well, why don't I go ahead and make up a crimp myself? You know, so this is called the Brother Paul crimp or the BP crimp. Just take one piece of that card out of there. There we go. I just take one piece out of there, you know. When that card comes flying out on the table, I know that that's a six of spades. You know what I mean? Okay. So I'm going to take this little piece, put it in my pocket for a couple of minutes here. We're going to take the rest of the card and we're going to tear it up into three little pieces, all right? There we go. Just like that. Yeah. Perfect. Three little pieces of card. Now you take your index finger and put it right on top. Make sure nothing gets in or out. All I have to do is whisper the magical incantation, Wooji, Wooji. Look, these three pieces instantly weld themselves back together. Right words, wrong finger, you know what I mean? Okay, I apologize for that. Now let's do it again. You know, use your thumb this time. Put your thumb right on top. There you go. You take this little piece of card I put in my pocket and wave it over his thumb, and you say, Wooji, Wooji. I love the conviction in your voice. That's great. Okay, here, let me have this back. Let's see if you did any better than I did here. Oh, that's good. Here, let me just get that other piece on there. There we go. It should fit right down there perfectly. Yes, sir. There you go. Thank you very much, you guys. Thank you. You guys are absolutely wonderful, you know. Yeah, you take that home with you tonight, put it under your pillow, and the card for you will come in. Well, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks.